Under which schedule administration of tribal areas in the state of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram? Options are Schedule 2nd, Schedule 4th, Schedule 6, Schedule 8. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Schedule 6. So, Schedule 6 deals with the administration of tribal areas in the state of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. The first city explored in India was options A Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Harappa. Correct answer is option D, that is Harappa. And Harappa was discovered by Dayaram Sani, or you can say D. Shani. And it was discovered in the year that is 1921. Indus Valley civilization is also known as a Harappan civilization. Which foreign traveler first visited India? Options are Huan Sang, Fahan, Marco Polo, Megasthenes. And the correct answer is option D, that is Megasthenes. So Megasthenes was the first person, or you can say the foreign traveler first visited India. And he came from an ancient Greek during Mauryan period and wrote a book, Indica. His book name was Indica. In Indica, it is written about the details of the Mauryan Empire. Which Governor General used to call himself as Bengal Tiger? Options are Lord Clive, Warren Hastings, Lord Cornwallis, Lord Wellesley. And the correct answer is option D, that is Lord Wellesley. So Lord Wellesley, Governor General, used to call himself as a Bengal Tiger. During the Treaty of Bassein in 1802 with Peshwa, he described himself as a Bengal tiger and served as a fifth Governor General of India. So, and he also introduced the subsidiary alliance, or you can say alliance, subsidiary alliance. Okay, next. Who started the Zamindari system in 1793? Options are Lord Cornwallis, Lord Minto, Lord Curzon, Lord Dalhousie. And the correct answer is option A, that is Lord Cornwallis. So, he introduced a permanent Zamindari system in the states of Bihar and Bengal. Which river is also called as the male river in India? Options are Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Brahmaputra. And the correct answer is option D, that is Brahmaputra, which means the son of Brahma in Sanskrit language. Indian government issued ID card for which animal? Options are elephant, tiger, cow, goat. And the correct answer is option C, that is cow. And it was first started in West Bengal, and now it includes in Madhya Pradesh and Haryana too. Who became the first tribal president of India? Options are Mayawati, Smriti Irani, Draupadi Murmu, Brinda. And the correct answer is option C, that is Draupadi Murmu. So Draupadi Murmu became the first tribal president of India, and she is the present president of India. And second woman president replaced Ramnath Kovind and became the 15th president of India. Birbal was an advisor in the court of options A Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir. And the correct answer is option C, that is Akbar. So, Birbal was an advisor in the court of Akbar, and he was a Hindu advisor in the court of Mughal Empire, or you can say Mughal Emperor. Who was the first grammarian of Sanskrit language? Options are Panini, Kalhana, Kalidasa, Amar Singh. And the correct answer is option A, that is Panini. Panini also wrote Astadhyayi in 6th to 5th century BCE. Who was called as Jinda Pir, or the living saint? Options are Babur, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. And the correct answer is option D, that is Aurangzeb. So he was called as a Jinda Pir, or the living saint, because of his simple living and high thinking. He reigned from 1658 to 1707 and also called as Alamgir, or the conqueror of the world. This is known as Salt Satyagraha. Options A. Dandi March, Civil Disobedience Movement, Quiet India Movement, Khilafat Movement. And the correct answer is option D, A, that is Dandi March. And it was started on 12th March in 1930 from Sabarmati Ashram and reached Dandi after 24 days on 6th April 1930. Which state has the most number of Lok Sabha seats? Options A. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal. And the correct answer is option A, that is Uttar Pradesh. And the total number of seats is 80. Who has become the man of the match in the final match of the T20 World Cup 2024? Options A. Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya, Henrik Klaasen. And the correct answer is option A, that is Virat Kohli. So, this game was played between India and South Africa and he scores 76 runs of 59 balls. In which Indian state Ayodhya Ram Mandir is located? Options A. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Uttarakhand. And the correct answer is option A, that is Uttar Pradesh. And it is the birthplace of Hindu deity Sri Ram. On which date has the Pran Pratishtha of Sri Ram's idol been held? Option A, 20 January 2024, 22 January, 25th January, 26th January. And the correct answer is option B, that is 22 January 2024. And Arun Yogi Raj met the idol of Ram Lalla, or you can say Sri Ram's idol being made by Arun Yogi Raj. When was the mission Chandrayaan-3 launched? Options A, 11 July 2023, 14 July, 15 July, 25th July. And the correct answer is option B, that is 14 July 2023. Third moon mission aim was to send a rover to the south pole of moon and it has been succeeded too. With which rocket was Chandrayaan-3 launched? Option A, PSLV-XL, GSLV-MK3, LVMB-3, SSLV-7. And the correct answer is option C, that is LVM-3, which means the Launch Vehicle Mark III. The normal temperature of human body is options A, 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, 98.6 degree, 98.7 degree, 98.9 degree. And the correct answer is option B, that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Which one of the following was not a primary color? Options A, red, blue, green, yellow. And the correct answer is yellow. Yellow is not considered as a primary color. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Options A, Statue of Unity, Statue of Liberty, Spring Temple Buddha, Christ the Redeemer. And the correct answer is option A, that is Statue of Unity. So it is a 182 meter, inaugurated by Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018. And Ram B. Sutar, architect. It is the statue of Patel and it is located near Narmada River in Gujarat. Assam Day is celebrated on 2nd December, 3rd December, 4th December, 5th December. Correct answer option A, 2nd December. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated on which state? Options A, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. And the correct answer is option C, that is Nagaland. Who is the author of A Tale of Two Cities? Options A, Charles Dickens, Adam Smith, Karl Marx, Jonathan Swift. And the correct answer is option A, that is Charles Dickens. So Adam Smith wrote Wealth of Nations, Karl Marx wrote Das Kapital, and Jonathan Swift wrote Gulliver's Travel. Phobos and Deimos satellite belongs to which planet? Option A, Earth, Venus, Mars, Jupiter. And the correct answer is option C, that is Mars, which is also known as a red planet. Which river is also known as the lifeline of Myanmar? Options A, Irrawaddy, Hwangho, Amur River, Yanjikiang. And the correct answer is option A, that is option A. That is Irrawaddy. Irrawaddy River is known as the lifeline of Myanmar, and Hwang Ho is known as China's sorrow. And Amur River is a boundary between Russia and China, and Yangtze Kiang is the longest river of Asia. Ayushman Bharat Yojana was launched in which year? Options A 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Correct answer option B, that is 2018. And this Yojana was to provide a rupees 5 lakh health insurance to 10 crore poor families. SEBI was set up in which year? Options A 1988, 1989, 1990, 1991. And the correct answer is option A, that is 1988. SEBI means Security Exchange Board of India. So it was set up in the year 1988 and made a statutory body in 1992. City of Seven Hills. Options है Rome, Kolkata, New York, Belgium. Correct answer है option A, that is Rome. City of Seven Hills is located in Rome. National Heritage Animal. Options है lion, tiger, elephant, horse. And the correct answer है option C, that is elephant. Elephant is regarded as the national heritage animal. सो दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही. अगर आप सबको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंड हो सके तो सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए. एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.